Want to save more money in 2025, but don't want to feel broke while doing it? You don't need a big salary or a finance degree. Just try one of these savings challenges, and you'll be surprised how fast your money adds up. Let's start with the classic, the No Spend Challenge. Here's how it works. Pick a day, a weekend, or even a whole month, where you spend nothing on non-essentials. No takeout, no random online shopping, no $6 iced latte you didn't plan for. You can still cover needs, like rent, food, transportation, but everything else, off limits. Why do this? Because it forces you to pause and realize how much spending is just a habit, and how little you actually need. You'll probably save more than you expect, but more importantly, you'll start seeing your money differently. Start small, one weekend. You might even enjoy the break. Challenge 2. The 52-Week Savings Challenge. This one's simple, smart, and super satisfying. Here's how it works. You save $1 in week 1, $2 in week 2, $3 in week 3, and keep going all the way to $52 in the final week. By the end of the year, you'll have saved $1,378. Yep, over $1,000 just by slowly increasing what you save each week. And here's a tip. If the end of the year feels too heavy, you can flip it. Start with $52 in week 1, then work your way down to $1. Front-loading it might be easier when your motivation is high. You can even set a reminder in your phone or use a checklist to track it. It's fun, it's visual, and it builds a habit you'll actually want to keep. Challenge 3. The $5 or $10 bill challenge. This one's sneaky and kind of fun. Every time you get a $5 or $10 bill, you don't spend it. You save it. Simple rule. Cash comes in. See a $5 or $10, stash it away. You can use an envelope, a jar, a drawer, whatever keeps it out of sight, but safe. It doesn't feel like a big deal at first. But those little bills add up fast. Let's say you save just two $5 bills a week. That's $40 a month, almost $500 a year, without even changing your lifestyle. And here's the bonus. It turns everyday spending into a tiny savings game. You'll actually feel excited to get small bills. Challenge 4. The Roundup Challenge. Ever wonder where all your spare change goes? With the Roundup Challenge, you turn it into savings. Automatically. Here's how it works. Every time you make a purchase, you round it up to the next dollar. And save the difference. Spend $3.25. You round it up to $4 and save the extra 75 cents. You can do this manually by tracking your spending and transferring the roundup amount to savings once a week. Or go digital. Some banking apps and savings apps do this for you automatically. It's like a modern piggy bank, quietly filling up while you live your life. You won't miss a few cents here and there, but over time, you'll see real money piling up without even thinking about it. Challenge 5. The Pay Yourself First Challenge. Most people get paid, then spend on bills, food, fun, and whatever's left they might save. This challenge flips that. With the Pay Yourself First Challenge, you save a set amount before you spend anything else. Got paid $200 from your part-time job? Boom. Put $20 straight into savings right away. Like it's a bill you owe your future self. You can choose a fixed amount, like $20 or $50. Or a percentage, like 10% of everything you earn. Make it automatic if you can. Set up a transfer to savings the moment your paycheck hits. This challenge trains your brain to treat saving as a priority, not an afterthought, because saving should come first, not last. Challenge 6. The Zero-Based Budget Challenge. Ever wonder where your money actually goes? With the Zero-Based Budget Challenge, every single dollar gets a job. Here's how it works. You take your income, let's say $1,000, and you plan exactly how to spend all of it, down to the last dollar. That doesn't mean spending it all. It means giving every dollar a purpose. $500 for rent, $200 for food, $100 for fun, $150 for savings, $50 for emergencies. At the end, your balance hits zero because everything is assigned, not wasted. This challenge shows you where money leaks out and helps you plug those leaks fast. It's not about perfection, it's about intentionality. And once you start, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Challenge 7. The Digital Detox Wallet Challenge. Online spending is way too easy. A few taps, and your money's gone. That's why the Digital Detox Wallet Challenge is so powerful. Here's the deal. For 1 full week, no online shopping. No Amazon, no food delivery, no late-night treat-yourself clicks. Only spend money in person, with real cash or your debit card. Why? Because when you stop mindless scrolling and impulse tapping, you start to realize how often you spend out of boredom, not need. And using physical money? It actually makes you feel you're spending, which means you spend less. It's a reset for your wallet and your brain. Try it for 7 days. You'll be shocked how much you save just by slowing down. All right, quick recap. Here are 7 powerful savings challenges to try this year. No spend challenge. Cut out the extras for a day, week, or month. 52-week challenge. Save a little more each week and watch it grow. $5 or $10 bill challenge. Stash every small bill that comes your way. Roundup challenge. Save your spare change automatically. Pay yourself first. Treat savings like your most important bill. Zero-based budget. Give every dollar a job and take control. Digital Detox Wallet. Pause the online shopping and reset your habits. Remember, you don't have to do them all. Pick one, start small, stay consistent, and always adjust based on what works for you. These challenges are for educational purposes. This is not financial advice. Saving habits look different for everyone, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. If you found this helpful, subscribe to White Budgeting for more real-world money tips. Thanks for watching.